Hello! So today I'm preparing this beef meatball. It's gonna be a healthy version. It's got nothing, just beef mince, and I'm gonna mix it with... Hello again. So our mince has mixed up with the eggs. The reason we go with egg is because, as you know, today is high protein day, so it's gonna be full of beef mince, that's protein, and eggs is protein as well. But the reason we use egg instead of flours is because it's eggs make the mince stick together, and also it's no carbs, so that's the reason we're using it. So hopefully you learn a bit from this video. Yes, and by the time we're talking about the eggs and the mince, the onions already peeled, so you can see that I opened this onion into two. The reason is because you can see it's one big, one small, slightly smaller. So this one, it's gonna be using it to mix it to the mince, and the bigger one, we're using it to fry with the garlic. So it's when we start cooking, we are gonna put into this garlic cloves, and then we are gonna put in the onion to fry. So in order to get our food quite healthy, we try to use less processed sauce. So all I'm gonna add to the meatball, I'm gonna add pepper and some sea salt. So now let's see if the meatball is ready to roll. So let's say a big teaspoon into your hand. You roll them. So I decided to add a bit of corn flour because it's not quite ready to be mixing up together. So let's just see. I think it's about 1 tablespoon. Okay, so now we go. 1 tablespoon, making it into meatball shape. It's nowhere near fucking meatball. Okay. I'm gonna put it back out so you can actually see what's in here. Second one. I'm gonna form it really nicely with 2 tablespoons. Hopefully that works for you too. Okay. Not too bad, right? If you really want it